Hello and welcome to this UTME question. We're talking about the question number 25, and the topic for today's question is what we call the matrix. This question says that if n is equal to this, find the determinant of n. This is how to find it. Let's move into action. The determinant of n will be equal to. Now, before you start solving this question, you need to know that we call this the row. These numbers, they are the rows, right? While this side is the column. So, on the rows, the first number on the rows, you put plus, minus, then plus, right? After putting this plus, minus, and plus, you bring down this first number. That's plus 3. You can just write 3. You open a bracket. Now, use your finger or use anything that you can use. Use your pen or your finger. So you close that row and then close the column where that 3 is. So what is left is minus 3, minus 5, 2, and 1, right? So this will multiply this. Why this will multiply this? So we have minus 3, right, times 1, right? Then 2 times minus 5, minus 2 times minus 5. Let me just put times here. And the next thing is minus 5. Write minus 5. Open bracket. Then you cover the row where the 5 is located and then the column where it is located. So what you have left is 6 minus 2 minus 5 and then 1. So 6 times 1. 6 times 1 minus 2 times minus 5. Sorry. Minus 2 times minus 5. Right? And the next one is this. So you say plus. You write the plus first. You open a bracket before you put this minus 4. Are you following? Hope you're following. Then you cover the column, the row where this 4 is located, and then cover the column where this 4 is located. So what you have left is 6 minus 3, and then minus 2 and 2. So you have multiplied by 6 times 2 minus 2 times minus 3. Minus 2 times minus 3. You expand this step by step. Now this is 3. Bring it down. Right. This is minus 3 times 1. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3, right? And this is 2 times minus 5. 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. Then minus 10 times this minus here will give us plus. So this will be plus 10. Close the bracket. And bring down this minus 5. We put another bracket. 6 times 1 is 6. Right? Minus 2 times minus 5 is plus 10. Right? Plus 10 times minus to give us minus. So we say minus 10. Close the bracket. And the next thing is plus times minus. Plus times minus is minus. So you say minus 4 in the bracket. 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. We put down 12. Minus 2 times minus 3. That's plus 6. So plus 6 times this minus will give us minus. So this will be minus 6. Close the bracket. So we have finished this. And the next step will be equal to, this is 3. Bring it out here. Times, let's still put it in a bracket. Minus 3 plus 10 plus 7. So it will be this 3 times that 7. 6 minus 10 is minus 4, right? So minus 4 times minus 5 give us plus what? Plus 20. And this is minus 4, right? 12 minus 6 is 6. Then 6 times minus 4 will give us minus 24. Now 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 20 minus 24 equals 21 plus 20 is what? 41 minus 24. Now 41 minus 24 will give us what? 17. The determinant of n is equal to 17. Now you can see that this question is actually very simple. So if you enjoy the class, give us a like and follow for more. Thank you.